Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. In this video, we will build a mirror maze. For that, we will need these two mirrors which are available in the TinkerLab kit. Now, before we start, you have to peel off the plastic covering here, like this, for both the mirrors. And for the activity, we will be needing some small toy. I have taken this. You can bring your favorite toy and do the activity. To do the activity, we need this mirror to stand. So for that, we will use the half pop bit. So at the back of the mirror, we have a magnetic strip. So with the help of which you can make the mirror stand like this. Right. So both the mirrors we will attach to the half pop. Right. Now the science behind this is very simple. The light from the object hits the mirror, reflects back, and thus we are able to see the image. Now with just one mirror, now we are able to see one image of the object. Now to make a maze, we need to bring in the other mirror also. Now with the two mirrors, you can see two images. So this is because the two mirrors are kept at a certain angle. Now once I reduce the angle, you can see the number of images growing. So now how many number of images do we have? So we have 4 images. So let's decrease the angle even more. The number of images are increasing. Can you count how many images are being formed now? So in the same way, if we keep on decreasing the angle and bring the mirrors facing towards each other, we can see the number of images going up to infinity also. Once the mirrors are facing each other, and if you look from above, infinite number of images will be formed.